Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error from the Epic Games launcher not starting properly. I have a couple of solutions, so try not to skip any steps. Okay, so let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is run it as an administrator. This is what I've downloaded from the Epic installer. It's a little bit annoying, but you right click on it, hit properties. Here you'll see security, and here go into advanced, and you want to change the owner. This is me as the owner. But if you do not have administrative properties, you can see right here what access you have. You want to change it, and then for example hit system, which is right here that has full access, hit OK, hit apply, and then you'll have administrative access to it. Okay, step number 2, you want to disable antivirus and firewall just to be safe. So go into search, Windows security. On the left hand side you'll see virus and threat protection. From here you want to click on manage settings, then click on real-time protection and click this off and click yes. Also firewall network protection, just to be safe, you can click on this and click off, then go back and do the same for private network and public network. Okay, and then try to reinstall it and see if that helps. The next thing you want to do is, of course, you want to update Windows. If you do not keep your Windows updated, which I have, I honestly don't do it as much as I should. But if you don't do it, then things like this will not run. So that's one thing you should try. Windows update, click on check for updates and download and install, of course. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you have removed previous Epic Games folders. So you want to go into C program files. I have program files 86, and here you should see Epic Games here. And you want to, if you have this folder and you're trying to install, this will have an error, so you want to delete this and then try to reinstall the Epic Games launcher. The next thing you want to do is try to use compatibility mode. So what do I mean by that? Go into the download file, right click on this, hit properties. Here you'll see compatibility, and then click on run this program in compatibility mode for previous versions of Windows. Hit apply, hit OK, and see if that works. The next thing you want to do is use a clean boot. So how do you do that? Type in run. Go type in msconfig. I already have it here. So in here, go to the Services tab, click on the Hide All Microsoft Services, and then click Disable All. And then what do? You go to the Startup tab in Task Manager. You'll see the Startup Apps. You want to disable pretty much all of the non-essential apps, and then restart your computer and install it. And this makes sure that none of these other software is interfering with the installation. And that is it. If this helped you, leave the video a comment saying it helped. It really helps traction. If it didn't, leave a comment saying what the problem is, and I'll do my best to get back to you.